friends, welcome to Acharya Ganesh. And today's topic is Vargottam. And this is a topic that a lot of astrologers, they give a lot of emphasis to Vargottam planet and Vargottam Lagna. And today I'll be sharing with you how to check if you have Vargottam planet in your horoscope. So what is the meaning of Vargottam? Vargottam is, let's break the word. Varga means division and Uttam means best, good. So it means the best division. When a planet is placed in Vargottam, it's supposed to give a very good result. That means it's placed in the best division. And how do we check? So when a planet occupies a same zodiac sign in the birth chart, in the main D1, and occupies the same sign in the D9, it means it's a Vargottam planet. So D9 and D1, a planet occupying same sign. Let's say if you have moon in Cancer in D1 and moon is also occupying the same sign of Cancer in D9, it becomes your Vargottam planet. And there's another concept of Vargottam Lagna. So what does it mean? Vargottam Lagna means when someone has same rising sign in the D1 and in D9. So if someone is born as a Gemini ascendant, in the first house they have Gemini rising, and the same Gemini is placed in the D9, first house of D9, it's called Vargottam Lagna. Vargottam Lagna is actually very powerful. It gives a lot of power and leadership qualities. It enhances the overall quality of the chart. Because, what is first house? It's you. And everything around you, second house, third house, everything else is connected to you. And when first house, when you become powerful, it gives you that extra ability, that extra intelligence to cope up with everything that's happening around you. So when you have a Vargottam Lagna, that means you're a great personality, you have good health, good personality, and you have this, your thought process is really great. You have the ability to handle everything that's happening around you. It enhances the overall quality of the chart. And let's go back to Vargottam planet. So when a planet occupies a sign, like as I explained earlier, occupies the same sign in D1 and D9, it becomes your Vargottam planet. And what a Vargottam planet does, it is actually enhances the qualities, the significance of that planet. It gives you good results, especially when it's placed in Kendra and Trikona houses. It manifolds the benefic results of it. So to understand this better, like let's take a few examples. Like if somebody has, Mercury in, let's say in Gemini in D1, and Mercury is also placed in the sign of Gemini in D9, that means this person has great level of intelligence. The significance of the sign Gemini, the significance of Mercury will be enhanced in this person's life. So this person will be highly intellectual, very intelligent, and along with all this, this person will have this street smart and youthful thought process. So this is how a Vargottam planet actually plays. It's it enhances the positivity of that planet. There's another concept in Vedic astrology that we can apply with Vargottam, that is Bhavottam. So what is Bhavottam? Let's not get confused. Bhavottam is, let's again break this word. Bhav means a house and Uttam means best. So when a planet is placed in the same house in both D1 and D9, it becomes the Bhavottam. That means the planet is actually occupying same house in both D1 and D9. So when a planet becomes Vargottam along with Bhavottam, so let's say moon in Cancer in fourth house in D1, and you have moon in Cancer in D9 in fourth house, this becomes Vargottam and Bhavottam, and this will actually give you a great level of emotional intelligence. You will know how to heal people. You will know how to deal with emotional issues in life. You will have this great love, compassion, and nurturing qualities. So this is how a planet actually gives benefic and malefic results depending on their placement. So don't forget to go back to your charts and check if you have a Vargottam placement in your horoscope. I'll come up with another topic next time. See you and thank you very much.